All right, guys, real quick. This is Jeep Wrangler I was talking about Sunday. Okay, I was this close to replacing the alternator. It's not charging, and I'm suspecting somebody jumped it backwards and arced out a pop, what we call a fuse array. Yeah, a lot of companies are implementing these. They just give you a variety of amperage you can protect certain devices on. Now, I had to pull this out of the fuse box, guys. It's a good thing I checked this. I did end up getting them new batteries because the battery failed a load test, but I have this attached to a positive. I want to show you something. Now, see, that's lighting. That's lighting, that's lighting, that's lighting, that's lighting. This one right here is not lighting, okay? That's lighting, that's not lighting. This is the circuit that feeds the charging system, all right? Now, I got a new one right here. So I'm gonna install this. Let me see if we got time. This is a short video. Make sure all of these are lighting. That means the circuit is closed if it's lighting. Look, there you go, it's lighting. All right, so this fuse is open. Now, again, this is attached to the PDC. So let me get this installed, get this back installed, charge these battery, and deliver this car. Yeah, the guy in the comment section want to know if I can show you how to test these fuse array. Guys, when you test these, all you're doing is making sure the fuse is not open. It's no different than going from fuse to fuse in a fuse box, okay, except for one thing. This is what we call a fuse array. Now, back in the day, car makers used to use fusible links, okay? There has to be some type of protection device between the alternator and the rest of the electrical system. All right, now they use things like this. All right, so I got my meter set up on ohms. I got the bell set up, so I just put one end right here. All right, and I go, you hear the bell? That means all of these fuses are good. Now, this is the one I took off that Wrangler, okay? Let's put it right here. All right, you don't hear it right here. This is the one that was open. This is the one that feed the alternator, okay? Again, it was spiked out because someone jump started the vehicle wrong. All right, stay tuned.